Alright, here goes another section. A lot of pigs come through here all the time, but we haven't been seeing any, probably because it looks the way that it does. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this out real quick so you guys can see some before and after of Integrity tractors. Here we go. Turn some lights on just in case. There we go. I may have to pull out because a lot of this is very muddy. I like to see y'all try that with the bush hog. Watching this video, let us know what you think. We would love to come to your property and clean it up. Take a look at that, y'all. This stuff is about 5 foot high. And this Blue Diamond cutter is doing extremely well for the material. Real easy material. And it can do 4-inch cuts. We've actually done more than the rating, which you shouldn't be saying, but I am. Normally, unless you are Superman. There's a nice log. There you go. Let's clean you up. So these people can get their property back. Just like that, you have access. I'm gonna shut you down. Shut my high flow, or not my high flow, my regular flow. Turn so you can see. And voila. Let us know what you think. Over and out.